Whenever I felt sad, lonely, or overwhelmed by life challenges, I always think of my mother. The moment she comes to my mind, tears begin to fall because I miss her so much. I often wonder how many tears she has hidden behind her smile just to stay strong for us.
Ligay ay tila pa walang hanggan. Sana'y di na mag-isip kung nangangarap man din. Ang buhay na makulay ang
More than anything, I wish I could experience having my mother beside me every day. I wish she would try to comfort me during hard days and simply be with us and for family. This may seem like ordinary moments to others, but to me, they are the moments I have always dreamed of. Instead of letting my sadness defeat me, I choose to turn it into strength. My mother's sacrifices inspire me to keep moving forward, study hard, and become someone she will always be proud of. One day, I hope I can finally tell her, "Mom, you don't have to work so hard anymore. It's our turn to take care of you." No matter how far apart we are, your love was never let me. It continues to guide me, giving me strength, hope, and the courage to keep chasing my dreams.